keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Subject Maths, Standard 7, Chapter 15, Part 2, Topic Statistics. Let us see how to construct a frequency table. Step 1. Construct a table with 3 columns. Then in the first column, write down all the data, values in ascending order of magnitude. In step 2, to complete the second column, go through the list of data values and place one tally mark at the appropriate place in the second column for every data value. When the fifth tally mark is reached, for a mark, draw a line from left to right through the first 4 tally marks as shown in the frequency table in the previous slides in part 1. We continue this process until all the data values in the list are tallied. In step 3, count the number of tally marks for each data value and write it in the third column. For example, the height of 30 children in a class is given in centimeter. Draw up a frequency table of this data. See, the numbers are given here. We will write this height of the children in centimeter in first in ascending order. The lowest height is 131 and the highest is 140. So we will write according to ascending order their heights. Then we will see that 131 occurs how many times? See, 1, then 2, and this is 3. So 131 height is of how many children? 3 children. So tally mark will be written 3 vertical lines and frequency is 3. Same way 132 occurs how many times? 3 times. So what the tally marks will be 3 vertical lines and frequency is 3. Same way we will count 133 from the given data. How many times it occurs? 5 times. So if it occurs 5 times, you have to be careful for representing tally marks 5. First we make 4 vertical lines and the fifth line will be from left to right. We have to put a cross. From left to right, it means this is 5 and frequency is 5. And 134, it occurs how many times? 3 times. Count from here. 134 occurs 3 times, 3 vertical lines, frequency is 3. Same way 135 occurs 3 times, 3 vertical lines, frequency is 3. 136 occurs 2 times, so 2 vertical lines, frequency is 2. 137 occurs 2 times, see 1 and 2, then write 2 vertical lines, frequency is 2. 138 occurs only 1 time, so 1 vertical line and frequency is 1. 139 occurs 3 times, so the frequency is 3. 140 occurs 5 times, so 4 vertical lines, and the fifth one is from left to right. We have to put cross. Frequency is 5 and total frequency we get 30. You can check your answer from here. The total frequency and we are getting 30, and how many children are there? 30. So if this is tallied means our table we made correctly. Sometimes here also you can make mistakes. Suppose you wrote here 2 and here you wrote suppose 6, then also your answer got tallied. But if you write wrong here, then also your marks will be cut. So be careful while counting. Count it properly and tally it at the last. Now in the next slide, next question, same way. In a certain colony, there are 50 families. The number of people in every family is given below. Draw up the frequency table. See, the data is given 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. All these numbers are given here. These are the number of children in 50 families. So first we will make the columns, number of people in each family, tally marks and frequency. 3 columns we made. We are writing the data in ascending order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now number of families who are having only 1 children is 1. So tally mark 1 vertical line, frequency is 1. Number of families are having only 2 children are 13 families. So this we are representing 5. 4 vertical lines, and fifth one is cross from left to right, 4 vertical lines cross from left to right, and 3 vertical lines. This is total 3. 5 plus 5 10 plus 3 13. So frequency is 13. Same way 3 number of families are having 3 children, they are 16, so frequency becomes 16. Same way number of families who are having 4 children, they are 13, so frequency becomes 13. Number of families are having 5 children, they are 7, so tally mark, this is 4 vertical lines and fifth one is cross. This is 5, this is 6 and 7, so frequency becomes 7. When we add this, we are getting total frequency n equal to 50. And how many families we are having? 50. Hence, we prepared the frequency table whose total frequency is coming 50. Now same way, a dice was cast 40 times and each score noted is given below. Draw up a frequency table for this data. See, the numbers are given here. We make the columns. We are talking about dice, so our heading will come number on top face of the dice, tally marks and frequency. If the number on the top face of the dice 1, it occurs how many times? 2 times, so frequency become 2. 2 comes how many times? 8 times, so frequency become 8. 3 comes how many times? 13 times, so frequency become 13. 4 comes how many times? 8 times, so frequency become 8. 5 comes how many times? 5 times, so frequency is 5. 6 come how many times? 4 times, so frequency is 4. When we add this, we are getting total frequency 40. Now, next question, the number of chapatis that 30 children in a hostel need at every meal is given below. Make a frequency table for this scores. See, the heading should be given according to the question. Here we are discussing number of chapatis distributed to the children. So first column will be number of chapatis needed for children, then tally marks, then frequency. So the number of chapatis are what? It starts from 2, then 3, then 4 and 5. So writing in ascending order, 2 chapatis are distributed to how many children? 9. See, this stands for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So frequency become 9. 3 chapatis are needed by how many children? 10 children. This is 5, this is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 4 chapatis are needed by how many children? 8 children. So this is 5 plus 3, 8. 5 chapatis are needed by 3 children. So this is 3 vertical lines and frequency is 3. When we add the frequency, total frequency n equal to 30. So we get the frequency table for the chapati distribution for 30 children in a hostel. So practice this type of sums from the textbook. Solve it in your notebook. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Go through the e-textbook link given below.